Welcome. Our topic coverage in this review questions is all about in the Book 2 of LTOM, specifically in Section 57, the local business tax. Number 1, what is the definition of a manufacturer in the context of local business tax? A. A business that only sells raw materials. B. A business that alters raw materials or partially manufactured products to prepare them for special use or reduce them to marketable shape. C. A business that distributes finished products. D. A person who consumes finished products for personal use. Answer, letter B. A manufacturer is a business that alters raw materials or partially manufactured products in such a way that they can be used for special purposes or reduced to a marketable shape. Number 2. Which of the following is not considered an essential commodity in the context of local business tax? A. Rice and corn. B. Cement. C. Cars. D. Cooking oil and cooking gas. Answer, letter C. Essential commodities include items such as rice, corn, cement, and cooking oil, but cars are not considered essential. Number 3. Which of the following businesses is subject to local business tax? A. Banks and other financial institutions. B. Nonprofit organizations. C. Government agencies. D. Public schools. Answer, letter A. Banks and other financial institutions are subject to local business tax, while nonprofit organizations, government agencies, and public schools are generally exempt. Number 4. What is the maximum rate at which a municipality within metropolitan Manila area may levy taxes on businesses? A. 25% of the maximum rates prescribed for said businesses. B. 50% of the maximum rates prescribed for said businesses. C. 75% of the maximum rates prescribed for said businesses. D. 100% of the maximum rates prescribed for said businesses. Answer, letter B. The municipality within MMA may levy taxes on businesses at rates not exceeding 50% of the maximum rates prescribed for said businesses. Number 5. If a person conducts two or more related businesses subject to the same rate of tax, how should the tax be computed? A. On the combined total gross sales or receipts. B. On the highest gross sales or receipts. C. On the lowest gross sales or receipts. D. On the average gross sales or receipts. Answer, letter A. The tax shall be computed on the combined total gross sales or receipts of the said two or more related businesses. Number 6. In connection to the business tax of manufacturers, assemblers, contractors, producers, and exporters with factories, project offices, plants, and plantations, in which city or municipality should the tax be paid for sales made by a branch or sales outlet? A. The city or municipality where the principal office is located. B. The city or municipality where the branch or sales outlet is located. C. The city or municipality where the factory is located. D. The city or municipality where the plantation is located. Answer, letter B, the tax should be paid to the city or municipality where the branch or sales outlet is located. Number 7, in connection to the business tax of manufacturers, assemblers, contractors, producers, and exporters with factories, project offices, plants, and plantations, if there is no branch or sales outlet in the city or municipality where the sale is made, where should the tax be paid? A. The city or municipality where the principal office is located. B. The city or municipality where the factory is located. C. The city or municipality where the plantation is located. D. The city or municipality where the warehouse is located. Answer, letter A, in this case, the tax should be paid to the city or municipality where the principal office is located. Number 8, in connection to the business tax of manufacturers, assemblers, contractors, producers, and exporters with factories, project offices, plants, and plantations, what percentage of sales recorded in the principal office is taxable by the city or municipality where the principal office belongs if the factory, project office, plant, or plantation in pursuit of business is located in other cities of municipalities? A. 30%. B. 40%. C. 60%. D. 70%. Answer, letter A, 30% of all sales recorded in the principal office is taxable by the city or municipality where the principal office is located. Number 9, for route sales made in a locality where a manufacturer has a branch or sales office, where should the sales be recorded for business tax purpose? A. In the principal office. B. In the branch or sales office in the locality. C. In the factory. D. In the plantation. Answer, letter B, the sales should be recorded in the branch or sales office in the locality where the route sales are made. Number 10, can local government units where route trucks deliver merchandise impose any tax on the trucks? A. Yes, always. B. No, never. C. Yes, but only the annual fixed tax. D. Yes, but only if the manufacturer has a branch or sales office in the locality. Answer, letter C, LGUs where route trucks deliver merchandise can only impose the annual fixed tax authorized to be imposed by the province. For more videos like this, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Comment your questions and clarifications below. For continuation of this video, please see the link in the comment section.